Hello CyberWorld friends, welcome to the CyberWorld tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to create, list, sell, and buy NFTs or non-fungible tokens on the CyberWorld platform. Here is the CyberWorld Finance web application. First, let's look at the sections on the top right of the screen. Subscribe. Click to subscribe to CyberWorld newsletter. You will receive related news, including airdrops from CyberWorld. Let's go back. Market. Here we can view NFTs on CyberWorld. You can search by entering keywords. Rank. It shows you the market price of top NFTs on CyberWorld. Create. This tab allows you to create an NFT. You can add an associated digital artwork to your NFT. At the Community tab, you can engage the CyberWorld communities. Other preferences, such as email reminders and nicknames, can be changed in the profile settings, located here. Okay, let's start creating your own NFT. Log into CyberWorld with your MetaMask account and create a collection list. Here in this video, I have already logged in with MetaMask. In CyberWorld, you can create collection lists to hold NFTs you created and purchased. Name this collection list and select a category. You can create multiple collection lists. Each list could have its own style and theme. After creating the collection list, you can add new items, that is, new NFTs, to this list. For each NFT, there is an associated digital artwork. In our case, it's a digital picture. Choose the picture and upload it. Your NFT associated data will be stored in the IPFS network. Next, fill out more information about your NFT. Since these data are recorded on the blockchain, we need to wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction, which may take around a minute. Now the transaction is successful, meaning that you have created a new NFT and added it to your collection list. See the detailed information of your artwork in the IPFS network. Okay, now that your NFT has been successfully created, you can view them in the collection list and share your NFT with friends. Next, you can sell your NFTs by listing them on the market. You can choose your preferred listing, selling at a fixed price, or an auction. If you choose set price, it will sell at the fixed price. You only need to fill in the set price. If you choose auction and wait for people to bid on it, you need to set a starting bid price and the deadline for the auction. Now you can list your NFT and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. Your NFT is listed and other users will see this NFT in your collection list. You can filter the market listings, filter based on listing types, or based on collection lists. Now I will show you how to purchase an NFT listed for sale on CyberWorld. Show your support to other creators by purchasing their work. When you decide to buy an NFT, just click buy. Now you can buy the NFT with the crypto in your connected MetaMask wallet. You can follow the same process as above to bid on an NFT in an auction. CyberWorld makes it easy to create and manage your NFTs, as well as to buy and sell any NFTs on the platform. If you encounter technical problems or have suggestions, please follow CyberMiles on Twitter or other official